Two men riding a motorbike executed a daring mid-afternoon murder as they gunned down a man during shopping hours on Tuesday in Halfway Tree. The deceased has been identified as Prince Charles Winter, otherwise called Finga, who frequents Chancery Lane in downtown Kingston. Sources say the shooting started on Mall Plaza, then moved on to Village Plaza. The now deceased was believed to be coming from the Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency. Reports are that shortly after the shooting, the armed thugs, while trying to make their escape, were confronted by cops. A running gun battle ensued between the suspects and the lawmen, however they managed to escape. A passerby was reportedly shot in the process. The condition of the injured isn't immediately known.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!